Hello everyone, my name is Miss Tristan and I am with Handful Players. And today we're going to talk about clowning. Believe it or not, I am a professional clown. It's true. Now raise your hand if you've seen a clown before. So those of you who have your hand up, that's awesome. Those of you who do not have your hand up, guess what? You get to raise your hand now because I am a professional clown and soon you will be a clown too. Now when we think about clowning, I always think about big hair or bright costumes or a big bright red nose or big shoes. But guess what? You can do clowning with all that stuff, but you can also do clowning without any of that stuff, which means you guys can do clowning right there at your home. Yep, it's true. So that means that we get to clown together. But before we do all that, I would like to perform for you a clown act. Now in this clown act, my character is a little bit nervous to show you some of her magic tricks. And I will be wearing a red nose for this clown act, but you can do clowning with a red nose or without. You can do it with anything because what we use to do clowning is our body. Our body is our tool. The movement of our body tells a story as a clown, and then we use our other tool, our faces, right? We use our faces to tell a story on stage. Sometimes we use words, I'm so sad. But sometimes in clowning, we don't use words at all, and we still tell a story. We come on stage like this. And the audience understands that I'm happy. Or maybe let's do one together. What if we came on stage and we were mad, but we didn't use words to do it? Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. See? You can do it. You can tell a story using words, but you can also tell a story not using words, using this beautiful tool we have right here, our face, and showing our emotions to tell a story on stage. But more of that in the next video. Right now, I'm going to show you a clown act, and then after this, in our other video, I'm going to teach you your very own clown act that's much better than this one. All right, without further ado, my clown act. See, you don't need a big circus tent or lots of costumes to be a clown. You can do it just using your tool, your body to tell the story, and the emotions on your face to tell the story. All right, my friends, my turn is done.
It's your turn now.
Go to the next video and learn your very first clown skit.